Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world and explore the intricate relationships between humans and the environment. I'm your host, David, and I'm thrilled to share with you a fascinating story from California, where researchers have uncovered a profound connection between climate change and human-wildlife conflict. As we walk through the sun-kissed landscapes of California, it's hard not to notice the impact of drought on the local ecosystem. The dry spell has been exacerbated by human-induced climate change, leading to extreme water scarcity and altering the behavior of wildlife. A recent study published by the University of California has revealed that during periods of drought, human-wildlife conflict increases significantly, particularly with carnivores such as mountain lions, coyotes, and bobcats. As Kendall Calhoun, a postdoctoral researcher and wildlife ecologist at UCLA and UC Davis, explains, there isn't water available. So, species that actually need drinking water will need to either expand their home ranges or move how they use the habitat to find areas that do have water. This desperate search for water and food drives these animals to venture closer to human settlements, leading to conflicts over resources. The research suggests that both humans and wildlife are changing their behavior as a result of drought. People may perceive interactions with wildlife differently during periods of drought, reporting them more frequently as conflicts rather than neutral encounters. As Calhoun notes, what once was maybe seen as benign, having some wildlife species on your property, could be interpreted as something more. People perceive that interaction as conflict instead of something neutral. This study serves as an early warning sign for the indirect issues caused by climate change, highlighting the need to understand the interconnectedness of human-wildlife conflict and environmental degradation. As we continue to navigate the complexities of our relationship with the natural world, it's essential to recognize the far-reaching consequences of climate change on ecosystems and the creatures that inhabit them. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we continue our journey through the natural world, we find ourselves at a critical juncture where human actions and environmental policies intersect. In the United Kingdom, a significant debate is unfolding around the Planning Bill amendment, which has far-reaching implications for British wildlife and its habitats. The amendment in question seeks to restrict the protection of certain animals and habitats from destruction by developers, aiming to streamline the house-building process. However, this move has been met with considerable criticism from ecologists and environmental groups who argue that it undermines decades-old environmental law. The concept of a nature recovery fund, where developers can pay to bypass environmental surveys and mitigation measures, has been particularly contentious, earning the moniker cash to trash. At the heart of this issue is the balance between economic development and environmental conservation. Proponents of the bill argue that it will remove barriers to building vital new homes and infrastructure, while opponents fear that it will lead to serious ecological harm and legal uncertainty. The lack of rigorous scientific or ecological justification for rolling back environmental protections has been highlighted by major nature charities, including the Wildlife Trusts and RSPB. As we delve into this complex topic, it's essential to consider the broader context of human interaction with nature. The health of our ecosystems and the diversity of wildlife are not merely tangential concerns, but are intimately linked with our own well-being and the planet's resilience. Policies that prioritize short-term economic gains over long-term environmental sustainability risk undermining the very foundations of life on Earth. The story unfolding in the UK serves as a microcosm for global challenges, where the push for development often clashes with the need to preserve natural habitats and protect biodiversity. It underscores the importance of informed decision-making, grounded in scientific evidence and ecological principles, to navigate these dilemmas effectively. As we move forward, it's crucial that we foster a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of our world and the intrinsic value of nature. By supporting policies and practices that prioritize environmental stewardship, we can work towards a future where development and conservation are not mutually exclusive but complementary aspects of a sustainable and thriving planet. Welcome back to Nature Walk. Today, we're going to talk about a truly inspiring individual who dedicated her life to understanding and protecting our natural world. Dr. Jane Goodall, the renowned primatologist and conservationist, passed away recently at the age of 91, leaving behind a legacy that will continue to inspire generations to come. As we reflect on her remarkable life, we're reminded of her groundbreaking research on chimpanzees in Tanzania's Gombe Stream National Park. Her observations of these intelligent and social creatures revealed surprising insights into their behavior, challenging our assumptions about the natural world and our place within it. But Dr. Goodall's impact went far beyond the scientific community. She became a tireless advocate for conservation and compassion, inspiring people around the world to take action on behalf of the environment and animal welfare. Her message of hope and empowerment encouraged us to recognize the interconnectedness of all living beings and to work towards creating a more sustainable future. As we celebrate Dr. Goodall's life and legacy, we're also reminded of the importance of empathy, wonder, and curiosity in our relationship with nature. She showed us that even in the darkest times, there is always hope for positive change, and that individual actions can collectively make a significant difference. The outpouring of tributes and condolences from around the world is a testament to Dr. Goodall's profound impact on our collective consciousness. Her family, friends, and colleagues have shared heartwarming stories about her kindness, generosity, and unwavering commitment to her work. As we bid farewell to this extraordinary woman, we're left with a sense of gratitude for her contributions to our understanding of the natural world and our place within it. We're also inspired to continue her work, to carry the torch of hope and compassion that she lit, and to strive towards creating a better future for all living beings. Dr. Carl Goodall's grandson, Merlin van Lawick, beautifully captured the essence of her legacy when he said, "The seeds of hope you have planted have taken root in millions. You will live on in countless hearts." Indeed, her spirit will continue to inspire us to think with a clever human brain, to act with a compassionate human heart, and to live by her maxim that every individual matters. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.